And welcome back to the DG Outdoors channel, guys. In today's video, I'm deer hunting. It's snowing. I'm watching this squirrel run around. I'll probably get video of him. He's just running around in the leaves over there. Haven't seen any deer yet. Opening day of gun season, got my bow. But guys, check the weather out right here. It is currently snowing out. And there's a squirrel over here somewhere playing around. He's been running around. I hear him. He's running around the leaves, guys, but look at this. It's just snowing. So I believe this is the hunt vlog number 23. I haven't seen any deer yet. Only heard a couple guns go off. I'm hoping that the hunters will push them to me. But that's alright, man. That's what hunting's all about. It's beautiful and everything. So a little squirrel's running around somewhere. I can hear him. He's right there. He's running around. So the way I've got this blind set up, it's hard to use the tripod in here by myself, so I'm filming this by hand. Whether I'm going to see any deer or not, I don't know. Right now it's just been me and that squirrel, which he's fun to watch. He's only about 5 yards away from the blind earlier. I may sit here for an hour or two and then go inside and enjoy the rest of my day off, but I'm having fun. Normally the deer come right across the front yard to those two persimmon trees right in front of me, where I saw the 3 does the last time I went deer hunting out of this blind. Lately they've been around the corner down my driveway by a church, crossing right there into this little strip of woods over there. But they could come from any direction. I just heard a gunshot really close. There's the squirrel again. He's fun to watch. It's beautiful out here. He's just sitting right there eating. Look. There he goes. Little guy. That little squirrel. He'll just run up one tree, down another, back up. Right now he's eating on a nut. I can get him in camera. Right there, he's just eating on a nut. Hanging out. He's been fun to watch. Really fun. Alright, y'all. So I got up to use the bathroom. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. And dropped my phone in the snow. Yay. I'm so glad for this blind right now. But it's really pretty to watch the snow. I like the gloves that I have because for working these cameras and stuff, they actually have exposed thumbs. They're pop top, so they keep my hands really warm. And yeah, so that's how this morning's going. Actually, there was 2 squirrels, not just 1 but 2. I didn't know that, but I think I scared them off. No, that one's still up there eating. But the snow is coming down. I was supposed to go to my mom's. She lives an hour away, but I don't think I'm going to do that today. So, alright y'all, so we got my arrow quiver over here. Tripod right there. An old bottle of dopey. And my hunting backpack right here, my bow, with the moose and carbon arrows from eBay and the Chinese knockoff 2-inch cut swackers. And of course, outside. So, and our little squirrel friend is still up in that tree. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna head back inside. My hands are getting cold. Yes, I have hand warmers and stuff. I just didn't feel like using them today. Haven't seen any deer, and to be honest, I don't feel like gutting one in the snow. But it's been fun watching those squirrels. Yeah, I could have got a squirrel too with another one with my bow, but I didn't feel like shooting one of them either. They were just really fun to watch, and I got some cool footage of them, so that was good. I wouldn't say it's been an eventful morning. It's been good for this hunt vlog. Sometimes I get game, sometimes I don't. Sometimes I see game, sometimes I don't. But that's part of these hunt vlogs. And I got to see really pretty snow. But yeah, guys. I'll be at work tomorrow, but after in the evening, I should be taking my buddy Will squirrel hunting back here. So y'all stay tuned for that video. That'll be fun. And we might have to break out the snow camo. So y'all remember, like, comment, subscribe. Jesus loves you. And I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.